good morning, and welcome back, guys. Ron here once again. Today's daily trading reminder is simple, guys, and that is to accept the risk. If you're looking to trade Shopify and you're putting in maybe 1 to 5% allocation into your trade, in this case, let's say 2,700 right here, right? Is the maximum money I'm putting into work. What I'm trying to tell you is accept the risk, guys. If you go in and Shopify is currently trading at around 312 and your stop, for example, is going to be around 314.30, 314.50, and you can see here that loss will accumulate to approximately $500 to $600. Accept the risk, guys. Understand that, hey, you know what? You're not going to win all the time, but don't be stubborn and hold out the risk to the point where it comes back all the way to where you're losing the entire amount. So for this example, if you were buying 5 puts here, you would lose $2,700 total. And even then, guys, you should still accept that in case of a black swan event, this thing runs away from you. Only when it runs away from you because something happened. Maybe we got a tweet from Trump. Maybe we got something that you just was inevitable. So, this thing just gapped up and you just could not get out of it because it went from 310, 312 all the way to 350, and all of a sudden you're completely blown out of that position. You should accept the risk that you only put into work as much money as you was reasonably acceptable for the account. And that's it for today, guys. Accept the risk. Let's go. Have an awesome day. Let's get it.
More money, more money. Ah, all very exciting.